Hi everybody, it's Melly here and just doing a really quick tutorial to show you how to add a zipper pull onto a length of zipper tape. Now some of you may be a little bit intimidated by this if you've only used pre-made zippers in the past, but it is really basic, really quick and simple, and it really does open up the availability of different lengths and styles and colours of a zipper for you. So it's a really great thing to know. Obviously it also opens up the fun of using some really interesting zipper pulls, and a little bit more interesting than the ones you can get on your pre-made zippers. Okay, so you grab your length of a zipper tape that you're wanting to work with. As you can see here, I've got this lovely one that has a black and white stripe on it, and I'm going to add this zipper pull to it. Now what you need to do is make sure that your length of the zipper tape is a little bit longer than what you require for the project you're working with. The reason for that is that we're going to do a little bit of trimming in this step. You want to just make sure that you allow for that. Now with your zipper tape, there will be one end that opens up and there will be one end that doesn't. Now you'll know which one obviously just by trying. So if the end you try to open up in this first step doesn't open up, just move to the other side and you should be fine. So what I'm just going to do is pull the zipper tape from both sides just to open up a little section there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to trim the left-hand side of our zipper tape. Now by about 1/2 inch, as you'll see there, I've cut off about 1/2 inch of that one. Now we're going to grab our zipper pull and we're going to be working on the side that has 2 holes, just the top of the zipper pull, and we're going to feed the longer side of our tape through that. Now as you can see, that's really, really basic. It just goes through that hole and through the slot that goes below the hole. Very easily put on, and we're going to pull that up a small little section until this other side is now becoming even with the side of the zipper pull. And then what we're just going to do is we're going to slot that side in the same way into the other hole in our zipper pull. Should go in just as easily as the first side did. Now don't worry too much if you've got a little bit of a uneven amount there. If one side's longer than the other, that doesn't matter. That will all come out in the wash as we're putting it together. So then what we just want to do is make sure that we're holding on to both sides as we pull up the zipper pull. So that's going to pull the remaining section through the side there and also pull our teeth together to close the zipper. So we're just going to kind of hold on to both sides and pull up the zipper pull. There we go. You'll see it's just slotted on and it's now closing the zipper behind it. So this will be the closing direction. The other direction is going to be the opening. You'll see that now as I pull up a little bit, it opens to that way. Okay, so we've got that attached on really simply, really easily. Obviously now be careful you don't pull it all the way to the ends before you've finished working with any end tips or sewing your project. But yeah, that just shows you how quick and easy it can be. I hope that helps. Have a great day. See ya.